Hi and welcome to this week's video. This is another pen turn in. Now I'm not sure if this is going to go up before Maker Central or after Maker Central, but this will be one of the pens that's going to Maker Central with me anyway, to be on the House of Resin stand. This is from the project that we did quite a few weeks back. I'll put a link up and maybe a picture as well of those blanks when they were cut. So I'm making these ones, the Chihuahua wood, I think you call it, in it, with green and white. And I'm going to be putting it on an Amiga. So I hope you enjoy this video, just a few clips, and get to see the video. It won't be an incredibly long one, but I hope you enjoy. By the way, I use the between centres because I find it a little bit more accurate to turn them that way. So it's a bit of footering because I have to go twice over with everything, but this is the way I like to do it. So I hope you enjoy.
I got blood on my hands right now, and I'm stumbling through the dark in the dawn. I have found new ways, but no, I can't be the one that you need. Then I changed my mind. Maybe we got time to make this right. Can I be the one that you need? Maybe if I change the way I love it, maybe if I try to fix this heart, then I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine. If I change the way I love, if I change the way I love, if I change, if I change the way I love, if I change the way I love.